I have a demo. Uh, Sarah, Ariel, and myself have been sort of working on to a follow-on for the Markdown viz. Um, and there's no way to move these. I really don't like the way Rome puts this thing on your screen. Um, so on top of the Markdown viz, we wanted to be able to build like KPIs. So I'm introducing a new viz type. It's this adorable dinosaur ninja over here. I will change that before launching, but for now, that's what he is. Um, Gives you sort of a builder for these things. The first automatic section is text. So this is basically like a small markdown box. So I could be like total users. And if I wanted to pop back here and just grab the markdown for that, then I can throw that in. Then if I want to like keep building, I can add a section to it. Let's say like an image. Um, the image is obviously configurable. This is also markdown compatible. So if I wanted to like put something else in here, that's like based on value from the query, you can do that. Adding another section, you could add like the spark line. We're using the same kind of behavior from the single value to choose the things here. Um, so I can do that. And if I wanted to get, I think, so like the total for female, copy that markdown. And I think that I can throw that in here maybe. So then, I can create sort of like a little viz to go with it. Um, oh, and I can configure the width here a little bit. I'd like this to be responsive, TBD, if I can make that work. If I make it responsive, it ceases to render in this PDF. So it's something I have to work on. And then we could add like a number. The number has the same kind of behavior. So, pick the uh, pick the values out. Um, I don't know why it's choosing 47 there versus the total. So I'm not sure what that behavior is doing right now. Um, there will eventually be a comparison in here and a few other things. Right now, there's an icon selector. We'll probably have colors and things in there. So then, if I don't like the position of the image, I can grab it and bring it down, sort of rearrange this thing on the fly for a little bit of easy configuration. I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything else. Super early days, like none of these configuration options are finalized, and we're still working on, what kinds of sections we're going to have. So it kind of always displays like this on the workbook, but then if you're in the dashboard, they stack a little bit more. This is the one we just built. They stack more normally, and they just sort of display as markdown. Um, the other fun thing about it is that like, so if I get here and I get to a point where like I don't know how to make this do this thing that I want to do in this UI, then I can hit advanced and it'll drop me into the markdown viz, and I'll just get the markdown for what I've done, and then I can go hog wild. So it's another like Omni escape hatch because we love those. That'll let the advanced users like build something up and then just take it the rest of the way on their own. And I think that's all we got.